Hello, what's up guys, welcome to my new brand video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix CarX Street stock loading on Initializing streaming. If you are facing this problem when you have opened your CarX Street game but you have facing this problem stock Initializing streaming, so you have need watch this video and solve your problem within 2 minutes. Firstly, go back your home screen. After then go back your home screen and enter into the mobile settings and check if your internet connection is properly worked or not. If your internet connection is not properly worked, so just connect your Wi-Fi device and getting the strong network. And second option, click on SIM card and mobile data. If you have using mobile data on one SIM, just click on one. If you have using on two SIM, so just click on two. Here you see assessment, so just tap on its assessment name and tap on it eye icon and scroll down. Here you see APN protocol, so just tap on it and select your APv4. And second option, APN roaming protocol, so just tap on it and same APv4 selected and back. And here you see right up corner save option, so just tap on it and save your connect assessment. Back and back main settings and enter into the app management. If you are using iPhone, so just tap on your iPhone storage and upload your CarX Street game. If you are using Android, so just tap on your apps or app management, tap on your app list and here you see loading. Please wait, don't forget to subscribe my channel and scroll down and search at CarX Street game. Here you see CarX Street game and click on storage widget and clear cache of CarX Street. Back one step, tap on data use detail and enable the background data back on home screen. After then enter into the app store or play store application, tap on search bar and search it CarX Street and check if your CarX Street game is update or not update. If your CarX Street is not update, so firstly update your CarX Street game and your problem 200% solved. If my video was helpful, so like, share and subscribe my channel for more other informative videos. Thanks for watching for my video.